Hello, in front of me I've got Porsche Panamera. In this video I'll show you how to connect your car to Wi-Fi. In the beginning, make sure that Wi-Fi hotspot is enabled on your smartphone, for example, and go to Devices and Device Manager. Enter Wi-Fi and search for Wi-Fi hotspot. Select hotspot from the list and enter password. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.